How to connect your domain to Wix. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can connect your domain to your Wix account. So first what you have to do is come to your Wix homepage and click this edit site option, and once you click this edit site option it's going to open Wix website editor for you, and it's going to take a little bit of time, so be patient at this step. And once this is loaded I'm going to come back and tell you what to do next. So once you land over here on your Wix website editor, you can see there's this option of connect your domain. Just click this option, connect your domain, and once you click this it's going to load this interface for you, and you have to wait for the interface to load. And once it's loaded I'm going to tell you what you have to do next. So here you can see that it's loaded, and here you can see that there's this name that I entered for my domain, and if it's available it's going to tell you that it's available, and then just click get it, and you have to go to you can buy over here and just click this blue button or the blue link, and it's going to take you to this link, and here you just buy the one you want to choose, 1 year, 2 year or 3 year, and then just click continue, and then you can just connect your domain. So that's how you connect your domain to your Wix account. I hope you liked the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.